best AI content writing tools, the best AI writing assistant, AI writing tools for writing, you name it guys. As you can tell by today's video title, I'm going to be showing you the best AI writing software tools that are out there, and I've been through plenty of these tools. A lot of them are just really subpar and really low quality in terms of quality output for content. And what I've basically done is distilled my pick of the top 4, in my personal opinion at the time of recording this video, AI content writing softwares that could actually be a worthy software for you to use, that could actually produce high quality content and copywriting content as well for whatever you may need. So without further ado, let's begin today's video, and I will be providing links down below to all the softwares we mentioned in today's video as well. And if there are any new upcoming AI content writing tools that are worthy or actually high quality, then I will be updating the links down below so you can make sure to get access to those as well. So what is the best AI writing software? Well, in my personal opinion, from a lot of testing, it's going to have to be a tool called Jasper AI. And Jasper AI is a powerful AI that crafts original high quality articles that you can use. So if you're like a blogger or you need to produce like a lot of high quality content for your business, then Jasper AI is very powerful for that. They have a number of different templates that you can use for copywriting, for creating like scripts, headlines, ads. I mean, you can create ads for like Facebook, so a Facebook ad headline, Google ads headline, and heaps of like different ad descriptions as well for Google, social media. If you actually go over here to all, you'll see that there's a bunch of high quality templates, even for like Amazon product features and for like Amazon type of stuff as well, if you're into that. So there's plenty of different templates we can choose from inside of Jasper. What I really like about Jasper is that if you wanted to do like short form type of content, there's heaps of templates that can allow you to do that as well. You can obviously use these frameworks as well, which are very powerful to really build an emotional connection with your audience that you're going to be writing to, and to most importantly convert those potential customers into customers, right? Like you can really get them in the right state of mind to get them to buy your products and services using these frameworks. These frameworks have been used for a long time, and now you can just use these templates with a click of a button, put in your information, and you'll be able to go ahead and produce some high quality content for this as well. Now if we go back over here, I also want to show you the long form assistant as well. And again, this is just like one tool, and this is again my personal favorite, but there's a lot of other tools that we're going to be going through in today's video. So keep on watching this video, because this may not be the right option for you based on a number of different other factors that you may want to consider. But with that being said, if we go over here to the long form assistant right here, this is where you can create your blog. So blog post workflow. You can describe the content you want to create. So you're just putting your information here. So for example, if we just put in how to learn French, okay, and then if we just basically do the same thing right here and we copy that, we can just put this at the top right here, press continue. Again, I'm doing this from like scratch. I'm doing it very quickly just so I can show you a quick example of how it all works. And if we go over here, you'll see that it generates like a title for us. So how to learn French in 11 steps, the ultimate guide. That's a pretty good title. And we can do the same thing for generating an intro paragraph right here. So Jasper will actually go ahead and generate some intro paragraphs. So in this ultimate guide to learning French, we will take you through 11 steps that will help you get started on your journey to becoming a fluent French speaker. So that's actually all right. All right, we'll just use that and click on Open Editor. And this is where you can go ahead, use the editor and basically write your content. So you can just click on Compose right here and it'll go ahead and produce content for you. Again, I'm really just doing this very quickly. And as you can see, the tool's going to be going ahead and do that for you. And the cool thing about Jasper as well is they have like a bunch of recipes. So if you are looking for like a template or some sort of like AI template that can produce like a blog post, a product review blog post, a video script blueprint, or even like a lot of people are interested in like writing books, the perfect non-fictional book introduction outline, you can open this recipe and use this to actually go ahead and create AI generated content for example, a non-fictional book introduction and outline, which is powerful. And you can even rewrite and expand a blog post and using this template right here, which is again very powerful. So what I also like about Jasper is their Jasper commands. So Jasper commands is a very powerful feature where you can just basically like tell a tool to do something as if you're like talking to a human, and it'll do it. And again, Jasper commands is pretty powerful. All you have to do to activate it is go to keyboard shortcuts right here, and then all you have to do is click on Command plus Enter or Control plus Enter on your PC device. So another tool I wanted to add to this list of the top best content AI writing tools is going to be a tool called Writer right here. Now Writer is a tool that's also very powerful. I don't consider it to be as powerful as Jasper, but it's still nevertheless a very, very powerful tool that I still think, has a lot of value as well, which is why I want to actually include it in this list as well. And we are going to be going through the pricing plans as well, so keep on watching this video for that. But if we go over here to start writing, you'll see that the writer actually has a number of different use cases as well. You can use it for blog outline, blog section writing, brand name, business idea. They also have the copywriting framework for both the IDA and PAS frameworks. Now, if we go over here to Jasper, Jasper has two different pricing plans. So as you can see right here, there's a starter plan and the boss mode plan. But with that being said, you can actually get a free trial of Jasper to actually try out firsthand before actually paying for it. So normally, if you go to Jasper's homepage, it just comes to this page right here. But if you actually click the top link down below in the video description, you'll be able to get a free trial of Jasper.ai right here and claim 10,000 words for free. So basically, you get a 5-day free trial of Jasper to try it out, and you also get 10,000 words for free just for going for the link down below in the video description. So I wanted to quickly mention that for you as well, so you can actually try out Jasper before investing any money into it. So I strongly recommend doing that. And the reason why I wanted to actually include Writer, and again, there's two more other AI tools when we go over apart from Writer and Jasper, right? But the reason why I want to include Writer is because they do have a number of different use cases, and the tool's actually half decent, especially for the price. And for the price right here of Writer, you can actually use the free plan. So obviously you're going to be very limited in the number of characters you can use per month. But their saver plan right here is going to be $9 a month. And their unlimited plan's only $29 a month. So for their pricing, so honestly, if you're on a really tight budget and you don't have much money to spare, or you just need something that's half decent, then I think Writer would be more than sufficient. But right off the bat, if you are looking for the best and the premium McCoy, as the old saying goes, you get what you pay for, right? So if that's the case and you want the best of the best, then I'll strongly recommend giving Jasper a try. Again, you can use the free trial by clicking the top link down below, so you can see firsthand, for yourself and whether or not Jasper's going to be right for you, okay? I've actually created some review videos as well for both Jasper, for Writer, and a lot of these other tools as well. So you can actually go to my YouTube channel and watch all these review videos as well, where we compare them in a lot more detail. But as you can see right here, the tool does actually produce semi-decent content actually that you can use. So it's not bad as well. And like I said, they have a number of different use cases right here. Reply to reviews and messages, song lyrics, story plot, and video channel description generators. So it's not bad, and for the pricing plan, I reckon it's pretty worthy mention of today's best AI content writing software assistant guide video, right? So that's Writer and that's Jasper. All right, so if we go over here to our third choice, and again, we're not going through any particular order. In my personal opinion, Jasper's going to be the best, and I'm not really listing any tool out of 1 to 4. I'm just going through a random order, going through these tools one by one. Because all these tools have their pros and cons, right? Maybe pricing or maybe certain features you may want to use over the others. So Article Forge is really geared towards creating high quality content. So it's really geared towards bloggers and SEO type of people who may need quick content for their Web 2.0s, for their link building. You'll notice that with Jasper and with Writer right off the bat, they have a number of different use cases, where with Article Forge, they're really geared towards producing content mainly. And then last but not least is going to be a tool called Copy.ai. And Copy.ai is a really good tool. It has a number of different use cases as well. If you go over here to pricing, you'll see that they have a free plan that you can perfect for testing. And then they have a monthly plan, which is going to be $49 a month right here. So you can see this is what Copy.ai looks like inside of their area. So if we click on templates, you'll see they have a bunch of templates as well. Some for blog, for social media content, email. You have a bunch of templates for email, which is pretty interesting because they have templates for particular type of emails, which is pretty cool. Website copy, case study, video, general business, and even for fun song lyrics, stadium profile. I found that to be pretty funny, but people want that type of stuff, right? So why not? And motivational quote type of stuff. So it's pretty cool. There's also different things we can do inside of Copy.ai as well. So those are going to be the best content AI tools and generators in my personal opinion. Copy.ai is not bad. Article Forge is cool. Writer, is definitely probably the best option if you're really on a tight budget, and the overall best tool if I had to choose one tool out of all the content AI generators out there. If I had to choose only one, and again, all these tools are amazing. In a perfect world, you could have all of them, right? But if I had to just choose one, it would be Jasper.ai right here, just because of the sheer amount of power and the amount of things you can do with it, the amount of templates they have. You can use the recipes, which is such a unique feature. You can even create your own AI type of recipes and from scratch and share that with other people as well. There's a bunch of pre-made templates already made for you as well if you want to produce product reviews or blog post, or Facebook ads, or even like review and expand your blog post. And there's even more like a option for like a non-fictional introduction and outline for a book. I mean, a lot of people write books. That's pretty crazy. And again, the amount of templates they have, the ease of the use of the software, the log form assistant as well, and Jasper commands as well. And I don't think anything else, in my personal opinion, really compares to Jasper. But yeah, I just wanted to go over all of that in today's video. Again, I'll be leaving links down below to both Jasper and all the other tools that we went over in today's video for your convenience, so you can get access to all the best deals for all 4 softwares, and even like try them out for yourself before making a decision on which one's going to be right for you. Because the cool thing is you can get a free trial for Jasper AI for 5 days at the time of recording this video, and you also get 10,000 words for free as well, and a free trial. I mean, that's the best way to like test out the tool. Same with like Writer as well. They have like a free plan you can try out, and Article Forge is a free trial, and Copy.ai also has a free plan that you can test it out as well. So you can try out these tools for yourself, and then yeah, really make a decision on which one's going to be right for you. Hopefully you found a bunch of value in today's video, and you have a bit more of a clear idea of what makes these tools unique and different. If you did find value in today's video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And yeah, thanks for watching today's video on the best AI content writing tools, and the best AI content writing assistant and all that type of stuff. Thanks for watching. Cheers.